What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Everyday Genius, where we're all about unlocking brilliance in everyday life. Today, we're diving headfirst into 10 seriously genius life hacks that are gonna make you think, why didn't I know about this sooner? So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get our brilliance on.
All right, first up is a classic case of using something you already have lying around the house for something totally unexpected. Ever get those annoying little scratches on your phone screen? Well, grab a pea-sized amount of toothpaste and gently rub it on the scratch in a circular motion. Wipe it clean with a soft cloth and boom, good as new. Oh, and if your car headlights are looking a little foggy, toothpaste strikes again. Apply it to your headlights, buff it in, and wipe it off. It's like giving your car a mini makeover on a budget. Next, we're tackling the ever-relatable struggle of tangled cords. The solution is as simple as it is brilliant. The binder clip. Just clip those bad boys to the edge of your desk, thread your cables through the metal loops, and voila, instant organization. No more tangled messes, no more frantically searching for the end of your charger cable. Just pure, unadulterated cable management bliss.
Now let's get real for a second. Who here actually enjoys cleaning their microwave? But fear not, because we have a hack that's going to change your microwave cleaning game forever. Grab a microwave-safe bowl, fill it with water, and squeeze in half a lemon. Microwave it on high for a few minutes. Let the steam work its magic, and then just wipe down the inside of your microwave with a damp cloth. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's talk about stinky shoes, shall we? The culprit could actually be bacteria, and luckily, we have just the thing to combat those odor-causing microbes: baking soda. Sprinkle a little bit of baking soda inside your shoes, let it sit overnight, and then just tap it out in the morning. Your shoes and your nose will thank you.
Ever tried to watch a video on your phone while also, living your life? Just grab a pair of sunglasses and position them upside down. Rest your phone on the bridge of the sunglasses and boom, instant entertainment center. And if you don't have sunglasses handy, a sturdy paperclip can work wonders too. We've all been there. You're getting ready for a big event. And just as you're about to walk out the door, you hear that dreaded ripping sound and feel a button pop off your shirt. But before you panic, grab your secret weapon, clear nail polish. Just dab a tiny bit of clear nail polish onto the center of each button on your shirt, especially the ones that look a little loose. The nail polish acts like a thread sealant, preventing those pesky buttons from staging a grand escape. Crisis averted.
Now let's talk about garlic. It's delicious, it's good for you, but let's be real. Peeling garlic can be a real pain. Who wants to deal with sticky garlic fingers all day? But what if I told you there was a way to peel garlic that's so easy, it feels like cheating? All you need is a jar with a lid. Break apart your garlic cloves, toss them in the jar, screw on the lid, and shake it like you're trying to win a prize at a carnival. The friction from the shaking will loosen the skins, and voila! Perfectly peeled garlic in seconds. Ever try to unscrew a stripped screw? It's one of those tasks that can make even the most patient person question their sanity. But before you throw in the towel, there's a surprisingly simple solution: a rubber band. Just place a rubber band over the head of the stripped screw, and then try unscrewing it with your screwdriver. The rubber band provides extra grip, making it much easier to remove that stubborn screw. Another win for simple solutions to everyday problems.
All right, let's talk about cooking mishaps. You're simmering a pot of pasta, step away for literally 2 seconds, and suddenly you hear that dreaded bubbling sound as your dinner tries to stage a great escape all over your stovetop. But fear not, fellow chefs, because there's a surprisingly simple way to prevent this culinary catastrophe: a wooden spoon. Just place a wooden spoon across the top of your pot, and it'll act as a barrier, preventing the water from boiling over. Science. For our final hack, let's clear the air, literally. Commercial air fresheners can be expensive and full of harsh chemicals, but the good news is you can easily make your own using just a few simple ingredients. Grab a jar, fill it with baking soda, add a few drops of your favorite essential oils, and give it a good shake. Place your DIY air freshener in any room that needs a little olfactory pick-me-up. And breathe easy, knowing your home smells amazing without any harsh chemicals.
And there you have it, folks. 10 genius life hacks that are going to have you wondering how you ever lived without them. Be sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed these life-changing tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments which hack you're most excited to try out. Until next time, keep those minds sharp, those ideas flowing, and remember, brilliance is just an everyday hack away.